0.905 times 0.234. So I treat it as a whole number multiplication problem, and then I just count the number of digits to the right of the decimal point, and in the result I get the product I get, I move the decimal point to the left. Okay, so it's 905 times 234. Very important that to pay attention to the place value. Okay, 5 times 4 is 20. 4 times 0 is 0, plus 2 is 2. 4 times 9 is 36. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 9 is 27. Plus 1 is 28. Okay. Okay. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 0 is 0. Another mistake, right? Again. Let's see. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 0 is 0 plus 2 is 2. 4 times 9 is 36. Okay, so the 4 is okay. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times... Yeah. Okay. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 0 is 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 0 times 9 is 27. Two times 5 is 10. 2 times 0 is 0, plus 1 is 1. 2 times 9 is 18. 0. 7, I'm doing addition. 6 plus 1 is 7. 3 plus 7 is 10, plus 1 is 11. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 8 is 11. 1 plus 1 is 2. Now I need to count 6 digits to the left. So the decimal point was here. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is 0.21177. Is it reasonable? Yeah, I guess it is, because 0.234 is about 0.25, which is about a quarter of 0.9. Yeah, seems reasonable. Let's see if it is the right answer. 0.21177. 0.21177. Okay. 2.079 divided by 2.7. Okay, so the divisor is a decimal, so I shift the decimal point one place to the right, and in the dividend I do the same thing. So I rewrite this problem as 20.79 divided by 27, because I want the divisor to be a whole number. Okay, 27 does not go into 2, put a 0. 27 does not go into 20, I put a 0. I put decimal above the decimal. Okay, 27, how many times does it go into 207? Okay, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, no, 9 is too much. 8 times 20 is 160. 160 and plus 56. No, it's too much. So 7. 7 times 20 is 140. 140 plus 49 is 189. Okay, so 8 times 7. 8 times 7. Just said too much. 7. 7 times 7 is 49. So 9 here, 4 here. 7 times 2 is 14. Plus 4 is 18. Now I subtract. I need to do a regrouping. So the 2 becomes 1. The 0 becomes 10. I need to borrow. So the 10 becomes 9. And 7 becomes 17. 17 minus 9 is 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. I bring down the 9. How many times does 27 go into 189? I just saw that it goes 7 times. 7 times 27 is 189. The remainder. So this is our answer. 0.77. Okay. Let's see if it is reasonable. Okay, 28.2 times 4.42. I do a regular multiplication. Let's put the bigger number up. 442. times 208. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 4 is 32 plus 1, 33. 8 times 4 is 32 plus 3 is 35. Okay, 2 plus 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 4 is 8. Now I add 4, 14, 9, 1 plus 8 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12, 12 plus 4, 12 plus 4, 16, 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 8 is 14, 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 8 is 12. Now I count the digits to the right of the decimal point. We have 3 digits to the right of the decimal point. So 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 124.644. 124.644. Let's see if it's reasonable. If I multiply, let's run this to 30 times, let's say 4. So that's 120. Yeah, so it's close. It's reasonable. 124.644. 3.045 divided by 0.35. I want the divisor.
Divisor.
Divisor. And an American pronunciation?
Divisor.
Divisor. Divisor.
Divisor.
Divisor. Divisor. Divisor. Okay. So let's go back. The divisor needs to be a whole number. So I shift the decimal point 2 places to the right, and I do the same thing here. So I rewrite the problem as 304.5 divided by 35. Okay. I can do this because shifting decimal point 2 places to the right is like multiplying by 100. And if I multiply the divisor and the dividend in the same number, I don't change the value of this problem. Okay. Okay. Let's see. 35 does not go into 3 or 30. It does go into 304. How many times? 9, too much, 8. 8 times 30 is 240, and 8 times 5. 35 times 8, this is 40. 8 times 3 is 24, plus 4 is 28. And if I add 24, well, so I don't have enough to add another 35, so 8. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 3 is 24, plus 4 is 28. I subtract 4 minus 0 is 4. I regroup, so 3 becomes 2 and 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. Okay, I bring down the 5. Okay. 35, how many times does it go into 245? 7, exactly 7, yes. 7 times 30 is 210, and 7 times 5 is 35, so 210 plus 35 is exactly 245. So I subtract the remainder, so this is the answer. 87. Whoop. Because I forgot this decimal point. It's 8.7. This is why it's important to check if it's reasonable. Yeah. So let's say 8.7 is close to 9. 9 times 0.3. Yeah, you can multiply 10 times 0.3. I come close to, it's 3. Okay, so 90 times 3, or 100 times 3 times 30 is 30. Okay. Stupid mistake. Okay, 1. Point 0.6 times 2.49. Okay, I'll write it as a regular multiplication problem with whole numbers. 229 times 106. 6 times 9 is 54. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 5 is 17. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 1 is 13. Okay, 0 times, so this is 0. Okay, 1, so I can just skip 0. 1 times 9 is 9. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 2 is 2. Now I add 4, 7, 12, 4, 2, 1 here and 2 here, and the result should be slightly bigger than this because 1.06 is like multiplying this number by itself and adding 6%. So it makes sense. 2.4274. Okay, so I have one mistake. So I'll take, in the next video, I'll take this quiz again.